Alright, we're looking at a limiting reagent problem here. And the question is, which reagent is limiting if 95.0 litres of NH3 is reacted with 160.0 litres of O2? They're both at a gas at STP. And what we're looking at here is we've got our 95.0 litres. We're going to find the number of moles, and then we're going to divide by the number of moles of NH3 in the reaction equation. It's going to give us a mole ratio of NH3. We're going to do the same thing with the litres of O2, figure out the moles of O2, divide by the number of moles of O2 in the reaction. That'll give us another mole ratio. Whichever one has the smallest mole ratio, that will be the limiting reagent. That will be the one that ends up being used up first. Remember, always we are dealing with reactants, that is things that are on this side of the arrow when we're talking about limiting reagents. Alright, so we're going to start off, we'll do 95.0 litres of NH3. And we know litres of NH3 go on the bottom to cancel the one up the top. Moles of NH3, because we're looking for moles first. Relationship, 1 mole of NH3 is 22.414 litres of NH3. Times 1 over 4 moles NH3. And what we're doing here is we're dividing by the number of moles in the reaction equation. And that's going to give us a total of 1.06. We're going to do the same thing over here to the O2, 160.0 litres O2 times, we know litres O2 goes on the bottom to cancel this litres O2, mole O2 goes on top, 1 mole equals 22.414 litres of O2, that's the relationship between those, times 1 over 7 moles of O2 from the reaction equation, and that's going to give us 1.020 as our final mole ratio. Notice that the mole ratios don't have any units because all the units cancel. And what we're looking at here is which one of these is smaller. This one here is smaller, so the limiting reagent is going to be O2.